Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show Samsung phone charging problem. Check your charger connection problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. First, make sure your phone's charger connection is correct. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, tap on charging settings, turn on fast charging setting, go back and scroll down, tap on developer options, scroll down, click click on default USB configuration, select charging phone only. Samsung charging problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.